Hello guys, so a quick update. Some people are having difficulties in doing the online registration, the nursing training online registration. So if you are watching this video and then you are having difficulty in doing the online registration, I have decided to do it for free. I've decided to do it for free. All what you need to do is to send me a mail. And then let me know that you are having issues with the online registration, so I should do it for you. So but before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will not ask you to send me the application fee. No, the application fee will be on your Momo. I will start the process and then you receive a prompt, you enter your PIN and then you pay for the application fee. So I'm not going to ask you to send me the money. No, I've been receiving some mails concerning the online application process. Look like some people are having difficulties, challenges, etc. So I just want to help. Yeah, so if you are in that category, you are having issues with the payment, or you are watching video and you think you will not be able to do it, just write the email that I'm going to provide. Send me a mail and then I will reply you. I'll send you a WhatsApp message. So when you send me the mail, add your number to it, add your phone number to it, so that I can send you a WhatsApp message and then we start the process. Yes. Don't forget that this online application ends in 5th June. So we have some few days left. As I said, the application fee is 150 cedis. So before you start, make sure that you have your 150 cedis ready. You have all your index numbers. If you are adding NOVDEC to it, make sure you have your NOVDEC index number and then the school index number too. And make sure that you have your passport picture, your Ghana card ID. You know your date of birth and your house number, your place of birth, and those details. Yes, so that one, it will be later when we start. Yes, so as I said, you're having issues with the registration or you want me to do it for you, you're looking for someone to do it for you, just send me a mail. I will do it right away. So the mail, this is the mail. The mail is, so dear Kwame 25 at gmail.com. Dear Kwame 25 at gmail.com. Dear Kwame 25 at gmail.com. So I'll be checking this mail till 5th June. I'll be checking this mail till 5th June. So if you're having issues, just send me a mail and add your phone number to it, and then I will send you a WhatsApp message and then we start. Please make sure that, as I said earlier, you have the 150 cedis on your Momo phone. Don't send it to me. No, I will not ask you to send it to me. It will be on your phone and I will start the process, and then you will get a prompt and then you pay. I'm just helping, yes, but before I do it for you, I will confirm that you are following me, you have subscribed to the account. Yes, before I do it. Yes, so if you are in that category, as I earlier on mentioned, just send me a mail. All right.